Hello, dear knowledge seekers. Prepare to be inspired as we dive into another one of SkilloVilla's success stories. Meet Rajat, an electrical and communication professional who ignited his passion for data science during his college years. SkilloVilla's affordable, industry-focused course equipped Rajat with the skills he needed to make a career shift. So stay tuned to witness his journey unfold.
Hey, hi Rajat.
Hi Shashi.
How are you doing?
Good, and how are you?
I'm good too. So, Rajat, first of all, thank you so much for joining this call, and we are really happy to have you here. And I'm excited and looking forward to know about your journey with SkilloVilla, how it has been so far. What are the things that you have learned from your data science career track? What are the difficulties you faced while going through the course and understanding the concepts? So, before we dive deep into your online journey with SkilloVilla, let's first know about you. If you can introduce yourself, tell us about you, what you have done in your past. How did you decide that you want to be a data scientist and you want to choose data science as your career option?
So currently I'm doing very well, and for data science I have started working on my Python in my fourth year. I started coding quite late, and from Python and the next option is machine learning or data science. So from there I moved to data science, and through that I started data science, and currently I'm in TCS. So firstly I was a cloud practitioner, but my interest was in Python and data science. So that's why I joined the SkilloVilla program, and I got certified in data science. And currently I'm a data scientist in TCS, and currently I'm working on some projects.
Got it. So, first of all, congratulations on getting certified as a data scientist. And secondly, what were you pursuing in your bachelor's?
So I was doing electronic and communication branch.
Okay.
It is a in between of core and computer science.
Okay, so in your bachelor's itself, you got introduced to machine learning, Python, and that's how you got interest into data science?
My friends introduced me to Python. They told like it is the easiest language to start working on, and from there I got an interest in Python.
Okay.
From there I started working on data science.
Okay. So you did not wanted to continue into EC domain and you wanted to switch into data science domain basically.
Yes. I wanted to be in IT, but I just got electronic and communication. So it is in between IT and the core branch. That's right.
Okay, so from your college itself, you got the placement in TCS?
No. I got placed in a startup. It is in Noida-based startup. So there I was a Python developer, and then I left that and joined TCS as a data practitioner.
Got it. So overall, how much experience do you have?
Total of I have 2 years of experience.
You have 2 years of working experience. Okay, great. So Rajat, how did you start with your upskilling journey basically? How did you decide that you want to upskill in the data science domain?
Okay, so first of all, I started looking for data science related project as my original project was coming to project. So I have to change my domain and projects. Like my project was about to switch. So I started looking on Python because I already know about Python. So from there, I studied Python, like getting back to Python. And after Python, I started looking for machine learning and data science courses and assignments. So there was multiple Udemy courses, but I know Udemy was not that helpful. So I searched through different platforms. So I came to know about SkilloVilla. So from there, I got one session, like Deepak sir gave me one session. After that, I enrolled into data science program and got into this session.
Got it. So what kind of doubts did you have before enrolling for the course?
So first of all, the main doubt was like the technologies that have to be covered. The new technologies. So it was cleared in the first session only, like what are the technologies that will be covered. So from there only I got an idea, like technologies that I want to work into in future, they are covered in SkilloVilla program.
Okay. Apart from technologies, was there any other concern that you had in your mind?
The other concern was like the cost. I've gone through different platforms, so most of them the cost is around lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2.5, and proper placement support was not there. So after that I came to SkilloVilla, and the price was comparatively very good. And also the live session and everything was same as the different platforms. So
Okay, so to summarize your answer, I could see that there are 3 points that you took in consideration while choosing SkilloVilla as your online learning platform for data science. So one is that it has industry relevant tools and techniques that you're going to learn in the data science domain. The second thing is that it has to be affordable. So which is again another thing that you find in the career track. And the third thing is
curriculum.
curriculum. So you find that the curriculum is strong and pretty comprehensive as well to understand and go on further. So now can you just tell us that how was your learning journey with SkilloVilla so far?
Okay, so SkilloVilla, I chose the data science career track. So in that mostly Python was covered, machine learning was covered, and the one and only topic that I was afraid of maths. But I don't know which topics they will ask in the interview. So that was also covered. So it was a comprehensive courses and easy to understand. And the live sessions were there. Projects and mock interviews recently we had. Eva would view about like if I ever give any interview, like I am already prepared with everything. So on a particular basis, I like the hands-on approach of SQL hands-on. Like there were quite a lot. And I was able to do every hands-on without even looking for a hand. And there was machine learning capstone project, so they were quite comprehensive and quite helpful.
Okay, so whatever things that you have learned in the curriculum, are you also applying the same in your current job? Is it helping you in any way?
It has given me I was able to clear the interview round for getting into this project, like internal TCS project. Firstly, it helped me there. And after that, I got an idea like how to do different, like if they give me a data set, I know what I have to do. Like, I have basic understanding from where I have to start. Not like I have to read every topic, what I have to do now, who should I connect, and so I can start from my end and I can connect with my seniors like who have more experience than me.
Okay.
So I know how to start our process.
Got it. So I think the thing that you're highlighting here is the problem solving skills. So basically now you know that how to approach a problem which is there, and once you know that what are the steps of process that you need to do in order to solve those business problem basically, right? So I can say that you've acquired a problem solving skill set. One of the skill set is the problem solving from the career track, is it?
Yes.
Got it. So apart from problem solving, what are the other skill sets that you have acquired from the data science career track?
So mostly the task that I have given is feature engineering. That is one of the topic that is covered. So I have to clean and make the data set here for the other like engineers that who are working, so they can work more on it. So mostly I'm doing the feature engineering part, like data set section and removing the unnecessary data from the data that is not necessary.
Okay. So, Rajat, since you talked about live sessions, I would want to know from you what kind of discussion used to happen in the live sessions and what kind of industry experts used to take your live sessions.
So the support and mentorship from the industry experts and the team of SkilloVilla have been quite helpful for me in my learning journey. So through live session, I have been introduced to real life business problem, and also I have learned how to apply problem solving skills in these case studies and everything. So the practical knowledge has helped me stay updated and prepared for the challenges in the industry that I'm currently working on. So it is quite helpful in my current project as well. The mentors were like two mentors that I remember, like they were quite helpful, and also they were from Swiggy and another was from Microsoft. He also helped us in getting connection and teaching us how to get placed and how to approach people in LinkedIn. So apart from SkilloVilla as well, they were quite helpful all around. The highlight for me has been learning live from these experts and solving problem together.
Okay. So basically in live sessions, you get to understand the practical approach of the problem, and one part is that you get the theoretical knowledge from the career track where you go through the pre-recorded videos and you do your assignments and everything. The second approach is the practical approach, which you get from the live sessions from the industry experts itself. So I think that's a great thing that you get apart from the theoretical knowledge, because it is important until unless you know how to actually perform those skill sets, how to solve those business problems, then only it will be helpful for you in the long run, because that is what you are going to do in the industry as well, right? So Rajat, while doing this course at SkilloVilla, were you also working simultaneously in TCS?
Yes. I was working in TCS as a cloud practitioner.
Got it. So did you find any difficulty in balancing both the things? Or if you did, like what was your approach basically?
So for me, as my project was not that hectic, like my batchmates were there, like who have to work on a different technology. They have to work for like 8 to 9 hours, and after that they have to study. For me, it was not that hectic. I also have to work around 6 to 7 hours, but meantime, I was able to study. Like at night, I can just give 1 to 2 hours at maximum. You will be like quite good at it.
Okay,
In a
okay.
week, like 7 days, total of 10 hours you can give, and you will clear most of the work.
Got it. So, for someone who is a working professional and wants to upskill in the data science domain, and actually we get this question a lot from a lot of working professionals who wants to upskill themselves, but since they are already working somewhere, they find a difficulty in understanding whether they'll be able to pursue the course simultaneously along with the job. But thanks to you that you clearly said that it's only 1 to 2 hours is required on a daily basis. If you are able to invest that much time to the curriculum, you will be able to clear your concepts and cover most of the topics on time. All right, now let's move towards your placement journey. How has it been for you so far? What are the things that you have covered so far in your placement process, and what are the things that you're looking forward to?
So after getting the certification, we had a session for like beginning of the placement. So first of all, we have to get a resume building session. It was a 1 week session, and from there we got an idea how to build our resume. That were easily selected by HR if they saw. After resume building, we got to the placement opportunity. So before placement, there are some mock interviews. So the mock interview part was also there. So I got an opportunity to be given to mock interviews, and
Okay.
they were quite helpful. I got an idea like what I have to do and what I have to prepare more. So
Right.
that was also. And I also got a call from placement cell like to be a part to get placed in an interview. So that is.
Okay, so basically you're saying that you got the call from two of the companies as well, provided by the placement team.
Yes.
Great. So what are your like future plans right now? Like, do you want to stay in the same company or you're looking for a switch?
I'm looking for a switch, but not right now. Like I've given around 1 more year to TCS, and after that I will go for a switch because
Okay.
I will get the understanding for like all the technologies, industrial level experience I need. So that's why.
Okay, fair enough. One thing that I want to say from SkilloVilla's end is that I'm sure you must be aware of a SkilloVilla alumni membership. So you have the placement assistance for the next 2 years as well. So if you
Yes.
want to switch your company, if you want to maybe change your role or something like that, so SkilloVilla team will be there to help you out with the placement and will provide you 100% placement support from the scratch. So for the final thing, is there any recommendation or any suggestions from your end to all those data analytics and data science aspirants who wants to build their career into data science industry, and also if they want to pursue SkilloVilla's career track?
So first of all, there is one thing like you should be ready to work. Like I've seen my colleagues, they started working on it, and after 2 to 3 months, they stopped. Like they are saying, "Let it be. I will do it. I will do it. I will do it." So that will cause an issue. Like if you have started the process, you have to complete it.
Correct.
So from my batchmate also, like I've seen 2 to 3 people, they just like I will do it next week. They should not be. There should be nothing like I can stop here and I will continue. The process should be in continuation and incremental, so that would be quite helpful.
So basically, it's like we say that consistency is the key, correct? So
Yes, yes.
once you have started with the program, you have to stick to it. You have to be consistent in watching all those videos and submitting your assignments basically and attending those live sessions. It's very important. So every single day matters. Every single day is important. So for anyone who wants to build their career, who wants to take up SkilloVilla's career track, we are not asking to spend 3-4 hours, just a 1 to 2 hours, whether it's a data science or it's a data analytics. If you have paid so much money, if you have enrolled for the course, I'm sure that is the bare minimum thing that any individual can do to build their career, correct? So I think consistency is one thing which has also worked for you as well, and that is the reason you are a certified data scientist right now. And the second thing that you highlighted is the willingness to learn. Of course, if you do not have the willingness to learn, no power on this earth can crack an interview on your behalf or get you the job or build your career like that, right? The efforts are from both the ends basically. The SkilloVilla will help you in becoming industry ready and help you at every step, from learning from basics to getting you placed in a company. But ultimately, you also have to give your efforts. You also have to complete your assignments, watch your videos, attend the live sessions. Then only you will be able to get certified and get placed in a company. So very well said, Rajat. That those are two main qualities that should be there in every candidate who wants to build their career. So before I end this, I would again like to thank you for coming up and sharing your insightful and honest review with us. And it's definitely going to be helpful for a lot of people out there who finds difficulty in balancing their time with other things and also the career track. And in case you need any kind of assistance or any help, we are just a call away. Do let us know and we would be there to help you out.
Collaborate with the SkilloVilla community today.